Finding the square root is like the opposite of squaring a number. Have a look at these two examples. If we work out 3 squared, that's the same as 3 times 3, which gives us 9. The opposite of squaring a number is finding the square root, and for that we use a sign that looks a little bit like the bus stop sign, but it's got a tick at the beginning rather than a bracket. So if we find the square root of 9, what that means is which number did we have to multiply by itself to find the answer 9? And of course the answer would be 3. Don't be tempted to halve the number. If we halve this, we get 4.5, and 4.5 lots of 4.5 do not make 9. So square root of 9 is 3. This example, find the square root of 16. Which number do we have to times by itself to get 16? Of course, if you know your square numbers, that will be 4. In the 11 plus, you will only ever really be given numbers that to find a square root, which are square numbers in themselves, because if they're not square numbers, you're going to have numbers with a decimal, which are very, very difficult to work out without a calculator. So when you see a square root sign, the chances are you're going to have a square number underneath it, which is quite easy to find the square root of.